Yeah, so I was shopping in London and I got this little train in Portobello Road, and it's a little kind of wind-up toy, and I thought it'd be kind of a neat project to fix it up. So let's go at it and see what we can do with it. Yeah, so this is one of the tin toys I bought in London and Portobello Road. And when I bought it, I checked it out at the bottom here when you move this a bit. And you can see, look, it is winding up. If there's no key, just try to wind it a little and see if you get a little bit of movement. Now that's a big bonus already, because you don't have to fix the clock. It was stiffer than this, because I've sprayed it with WD-40 and left it overnight. And now we're just going to, I got these new tools as well, you know. Dental tools. So, you know, that's nice. I like these for working with. So now what we're going to do is open this toy up and see what we got. And it's these two, this tab broke here, one of them. It's broken off. And there's two tabs back here, which I've opened a little bit already. Right, so there's 4 tabs, and there's one in the middle here that I've straightened up. Alright, and now what we'll do is we'll try to jimmy this up. Oh, there we go, that was quick. It's a good start. It's just a tin shell that needs a little bit of cleaning. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rust here yet. It might come off a little bit. You know, that came off a little there, see? So I haven't got really an approach for that yet. We'll see what we're going to do. Maybe a little bit of polish. It's pitted, so it's a bit pitty. Now, this is all rust here. We're going to go down closer again, which is always hard. You got to get in the middle. Put the pliers where the middle is. Where's that pliers? There. See, that'll help me when I'm videoing. So here's the, oh yeah, it's coming off a bit. Look at that. I left it overnight. Very nice. Yeah, it's going to improve. And let's see what's with the mechanism. I sprayed the whole unit last night and left it. A little stiff winding up. A little stiff, but it is going to work. Look at that. Yeah, it needs a bit of cleaning, alright. It needs to get all this dirt out of here, this rust out of here a bit. It's winding a little kind of tight, which worries me, but you know, if we do it carefully enough. Now if it's too tight, stop trying it and leave it soak a little longer. See, it's beginning to loosen out. It sure is. Right? I gotta find some kind of a key for it. I don't think there's a stop mechanism. See, and then with this on top, you have a little train that goes along, right? So what I'm gonna do is let this run out now. And we're gonna try to clean it up a little and see what we get. Now I also bought these in London just because I was in a shop and I saw them. That's how I work. And we'll give it a little brush here, a wire brush, nice and gently. See, the WD-40 is having an effect. Wood here in your picture. There we go. I gotta make sure you guys see it. There. And I'll just keep doing this now for a while. Relax. I might even go have a cup of tea, you know. And we'll see what we end up with if we keep doing this. Sometimes the stainless steel one's better, sometimes the brass one's better. There's definitely stuff coming off. The wheels seem very bad and there's a bit of string there I've got to get rid of. And I'll just keep doing this until we get a kind of a really good result here. There's the, I'm going away from your picture there, the motor. There's no rush, you know. It's beginning to shine a little there. I like that. Don't take too much of the paint off, so we'll just turn this baby a bit. I still want it to look old in the end. As you can see, she's beginning to clean up quite a bit here. Alright, so I'll just keep at that for a while and we'll see what the result is. And you know, wipe it down a bit, right? Keep doing that until we get a little bit of a polish. Yeah, I've decided to just press this open a little, like that. Mind the cog. I'm going to take the motor out so I can clean the rust underneath better and polish up better. I'm not too happy with them doing the base, and I want to get the whole base, the rust off the base. So I'm going to strip it further. I'm not taking the wheels off, I don't think. And the tabs seem pretty steady. Just hope none of them break off. But look at that. That's good, and maybe we'll be lucky and this, there we go. I can actually clean this a little bit more thoroughly. But as you can see, just let me zoom in. I know I shake the camera when I do this because it's on my table. Sorry about that. There we go. And see, you know, it is at the back there quite nice. See that? Now if I can get it all like this area here, I'll most likely leave it and move on. Now one of the wheels did come up as just a crimping thing, but I'll clean the wheels up a little and maybe a little touch of black in the center there, not much so. And then we'll get to the rust here and see what we can do. I'm scraping the inside of this with tools to see how much of it I can get off. So that's how I'm going at the moment, and I'll just stay at it and, you know, keep cleaning and we'll come out with something nice. Yeah, so I've been cleaning it quite a bit here. Wire brush, scraping a little, all that kind of thing. To make this look just the way I want it to look, kind of painted. That has black in the centers. So I might put a touch of black in these yet. Don't know yet. I'm not too worried about that at the moment. Now I've left a little bit of the rust marks in here so that it does look old. But I've got rid of most of the rust on this, and then the motor will come back in here. And now it's looking pretty clean. Been at it about an hour and a bit, maybe 2 hours, who knows. I'm not really worried about time. Now I'm going to clean in here the rust, which isn't very exciting. But I will use these dental tools to try to scrape some of this off. And it is coming off, as you can see here. There, see, it's coming off. I'll take some of that off. And then we'll see how we're going to approach these pitted areas. Make sure it's all straightened up and put it back together. So I'm just going to scrape for another hour, I suppose. Whippity-doo, I mean, it's part of it. But you know, you're bringing a toy back to life. You know, how can you complain? Willy. This will last my lifetime, this train. It'll be running long after I'm gone. Isn't that amazing?